One Saturday I took a walk to Zipperhead. I met a girl there and she almost knocked me dead. Punk rock girl, please look at me. Punk rock girl, what do you see? Let's travel around the world, just you and me. Punk rock girl. Tapped her on the shoulder and said, do you have a bow? She looked at me and smiled and said she did not know. Punk rock girl, give me a chance. Punk rock girl, let's go slam dance. We'll dress like Lady Pearl, just you and me. Punk rock girl. We went to the Philly Pizza Company and ordered some hot tea. The waitress said, well no, we only have it iced. So we jumped up on the table and shattered anarchy. And someone played a Beach Boys song on the jukebox. It was California dreaming, so we started screaming on such a winter's day. She took me to her parents for a Sunday meal. Father took one look at me and he began to squeal. Punk rock girl, it makes no sense. Punk rock girl, Vice President, rich as a Duke of Earl. Yeah, you're for me, punk rock girl.